Hey y'all, and welcome back to Finance Facts. Our vocabulary word of the day is ATM. ATM actually stands for Automated Teller Machine. And while every bank is different, there are so many things that you can do at an ATM. Some you might not even know about. To get started and make sure we're all on the same page, we're just going to go over all the different parts of an ATM. Here, this is the card reader. This is where you put your debit card so the ATM can find your account. This is the keypad. This is where you put your PIN number. Your PIN number is normally a 4-digit code that only you know. You use this PIN number when you use your debit card or when you put your debit card into the ATM. This lets the ATM know that it's really you and not a fraudster. This slot here, this is where the money comes out. It's called the cash dispenser. This slot here is for your receipt. When you're done with your transaction, the ATM will offer you one for your records. This slot here is probably the most useful and the one people use the least, but we'll talk about that more later. Just know for now, this is the deposit slot of the ATM, and it can accept cash, checks, and money orders. Now that we've went over all the different parts of an ATM, let's talk about all the ways that an ATM can make our financial life more convenient. You may have known this one already, but get cash. ATMs are really convenient so that you can get cash to pay for your transactions. A lot of newer ATMs will also let you get the cash back however you need it. Newer ATMs offer 1s, 5s, and 10s, and not just 20s and 100s like they used to back in the day. ATMs are also really good for account information. If you need to know your balance in your account, a recent transaction on your account, or if you even think you might need to change your PIN number because you saw some weird guy looking over your shoulder at the store, the ATM can give you all types of account information and let you do that type of account maintenance as well. Another cool thing that you can do at the ATM that a lot of people don't utilize enough is deposit. Once upon a time, if you wanted to put cash or a check or a money order into your bank account, you had to go inside the bank during business hours, of course, and give the items directly to a teller. But these days, most ATMs will allow you to deposit. So if you have cash or checks or money orders that need to be deposited and it's Saturday at 10 p.m., you can still complete your transaction right there at the ATM. Now, the ATM can do all types of cool things, but it's still important to remember to be safe. It's better to use an ATM that's actually at your bank, or if your bank's not available, an actual bank. Using ATMs at a gas station or ones that are randomly located on the side of the street aren't always the best idea. Those ATMs are more likely to have card skimmers on them. Card skimmers allow for fraudsters to steal your information when you put your debit card into the machine. Another important thing to remember about ATMs is fees. If you use your debit card at an ATM that isn't approved by your bank, normally the ATM will charge you a fee and your bank will too. So before you know it, that $20 withdrawal turned into $27 just because of fees. When you consider the risks of having your information stolen and the risk of fees, it's really better to just use ATMs that are only supported by your bank. Well, guys, that's all the time we have for today. Make sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram before you go. Later, y'all.